In the past month, the price of Cardano ADA has skyrocketed to become the third largest coin in the crypto market. This surge by the coin has led to many now referring to the coin as the future due to the numerous upgrades it boosts from Ethereum. It is also regarded as the perfect and perhaps a future replacement for the Ethereum coin. The team at Cardano, led by their founder Charles Hoskinson, is currently getting everything right, and of course, the market has seen a tremendous boost because of the coin's price. Several analysts, traders, and enthusiasts are looking at the possibility of the coin hitting the $10 mark before the end of the year. But even more, the coin has the ability to reach the very ambitious $1,000 mark, and Binance strongly believes so. In today's video, we shall be revealing the reason why Binance strongly believes Cardano ADA will reach $1,000. So let's get right into it. Unless you're a newbie in the cryptocurrency world, you must have made use of Binance. Binance is an online cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. The platform focuses on altcoin trading and is currently the largest in the world when it comes to the daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. The platform offers crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies and digital tokens. It has built a name for itself for its low fee in transactions. The company was founded by Changpeng Zhao, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. So guys, just in case you aren't aware, Cardano ADA is fully available on Binance for trading and exchange, and the platform has a strong belief that the coin will reach $1,000 in the future, and here's why. Almost everyone in the crypto space probably knows that Binance runs its own coin and is consistently making efforts to make sure that its value increases. It has also been in support of everything that Cardano does. This, however, doesn't come as a surprise, considering that the Cardano network continues to bring updates that excite investors and traders. And because of the upgrades to the network, Binance is strongly optimistic about the price of this coin. Earlier this month, the price of a single Cardano ADA soared to rise above the $3 mark for the first time ever. The rise in the coin's price was because developers kicked off upgrades that allow smart contracts to be built on the network. According to CoinGecko, on September 1st, Cardano ADA was up 7.8% at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and stood at $3.04. It earlier touched an all-time high of $3.09. The digital token has had a stellar run in recent weeks as investors have become excited about the major network upgrades, codenamed Alonzo. ADA's jump at the start of the month, on Wednesday and Thursday morning, coincided with Cardano developer IOHK saying that the Alonzo upgrades had been launched on a test network. The full launch is expected later in September. So guys, here's one of the reasons why Binance is strong on the opinion that the coin will reach $1,000. The Alonzo upgrades will allow smart contracts to be built on the network, potentially making the Cardano blockchain more attractive to a wider array of users. A smart contract is a piece of code that allows people to enter financial agreements without the need for a centralized party. The move could make Cardano more of a rival to Ethereum, which already offers smart contracts and has drawn increasing institutional investor interest for its range of potential uses in financial services. Cardano developer IOHK said on Twitter, "The Cardano testnet now officially supports Plutus smart contracts. Final testing and integrations ahead. SPOs will now upgrade their mainnet nodes. The next stop, mainnet upgrade. Still on track for September 12th onward." At this rate, even a total novice in the crypto world can rightly tell that this coin is one for the future, and as such, justify the fate placed in the coin by Binance. Cardano's blockchain is still very much in development, as evident by the upcoming updates that have already been scheduled. The clone runners have created a roadmap that keeps the whole crypto industry wide-eyed about what exactly to expect with each upcoming upgrade. Now, unlike what you might find with popular blockchains, the developers of Cardano are tackling their upgrades in a very modular manner, as we've already seen in the earlier part of this video, keeping the pathway clear for other things. Another interesting part about the upgrades that Cardano makes is that although each stage is divided into eras, the developers are working on all of them at the same time, and this simply means that the eras are more on a development track than just a fixed timeline. The implied meaning here is that the Cardano network is fully committed to becoming better than any coin out there, and so far, they're doing just that. There's still a long way to go, but of course, the support from Binance is a really huge boost. Cardano has a well-thought-out mission for greater efficiency. Its claim to be energy efficient is a big edge and surely one of the reasons why Binance believes the coin will keep rising. According to Marie Tatibouet, Chief Marketing Officer for leading cryptocurrency exchange Gate.io, Cardano's Ouroboros proof-of-stake algorithm is 20,000 times more efficient than Bitcoin's mining system. In energy usage, Cardano's bigger competitor is Ethereum. Ethereum is not wildly energy efficient as things stand now. That said, Ethereum plans to move to a proof-of-stake algorithm like Cardano that would vastly improve its own position. Bitcoin and many other traditional cryptocurrencies use a proof-of-work protocol. This is where miners use high-powered graphics cards or specialized computing rigs to guess at complicated mathematical puzzles. Those with more computing power win more of the puzzles and thus receive more of the mining reward. Cardano, on the other hand, makes use of the proof-of-stake model, which gives it an edge. In case you're wondering what the proof-of-stake model is and why it gives Cardano an edge in the future, let's try to explain it very simply. Proof-of-stake uses its cryptocurrency as a scarce asset. Like putting money into a CD or stocks, stakers promise not to spend their money in exchange for the opportunity to create blocks and earn block rewards. The probability of being selected to create a certain block is roughly proportional to the percentage of the total stake that the user controls. So instead of having to spend huge amounts of computing power and ecological resources on maintaining the blockchain, proof-of-stake protocols can use a miner's tokens as the collateral that makes the system function. Cardano's Ouroboros was novel in being one of the first successful proof-of-stake protocols that created a realistic alternative to proof-of-work tokens. The proof-of-stake model adopted by Cardano has become so intriguing that even Ethereum may switch to it in the coming months. It's no surprise that Binance keeps applauding Cardano for the efforts and progress it is making with its upgrades. Well, there's more. According to a recent announcement, Cardano holders will soon be able to access liquidity mining on the Venus protocol. If you're wondering how this relates, well, here's the answer. The Venus protocol runs on the Binance Smart Chain. Venus has continued to grow at the speed of light since its launch in November of last year. In 4 months, the team claimed that they had secured up to 18,000 users and about $2 billion of total value locked. This is one of the highest in the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. And according to CoinMarketCap, Venus has the largest 24-hour trading volume of a decentralized exchange despite being run on the Binance Smart Chain. When gas fees are considered, Binance Smart Chain (BSC) is almost always the preferred option. BSC offers much cheaper fees for token swaps than other platforms like Ethereum, which is quite infamous for its outrageous gas fees. Before we end today's video, a quick one. ADA is now the third biggest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin and Ethereum in terms of market capitalization. It is up more than 130% over the last 30 days and is more than 2,300% higher over the last year. Other so-called altcoins have risen sharply in recent weeks during a broader rebound in the crypto market that has also seen Bitcoin climb. Ether has risen more than 42% in the last 30 days according to CoinGecko, while XRP has climbed more than 68%. But the rise of Cardano ADA is what interests most people, including the world-renowned trading and cryptocurrency platform Binance, as it exceeds their own coin BNB in terms of market cap. It is for this reason that Binance has a strong belief that the coin, based on its roadmap and planned updates, has what it takes to reach the $1,000 mark. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Ensure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting content around the crypto world.